Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the 2016 Chevy Trax LT all-wheel drive. Stock number Z9924XX. 46,000 miles on this one owner. Clean auto check history report. Brilliant blue metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Seats 5, cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear with removable privacy cover. Very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors. Tilt and telescopic steering wheel, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system, for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can sync smartphones to various music apps, and that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Easy to operate heating and air conditioning, automatic transmission with manual shift capability, dual glove boxes, USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect media devices. Under the hood, this Trax has a 1.4 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 138 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates, an average of 24 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 31 on the highway, and ready to go with new brakes and new tires. For more information on this Trax, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.